I'm Bill with Blue Calibration. I'm going to show you how to calibrate a clamp meter with our 50-turn coil. So now we're going to be calibrating with our new redesigned 50 amp coil. The 50 amp coil now includes a housing. It's redesigned for 30 amps. It has a marker to help you indicate where you've placed the clamp onto the magnetic field. It will help with repeatability. So we're going to do 10 amps at 60 Hertz. I've already dialed the 10 amps. My visual indicator tells me where I need to be connected. I will connect. I will place my clamp meter in the field. I will rotate to amps. I will go to operate, and that would be how you would calibrate one of the functions within the clamp meter.